welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus 2 game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, select power button and then select restart PS5. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to rebuild the device. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild the device. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to enable disable HDCP. For that, go to settings menu from the PS5 home screen. Now select system, then select HDMI from the sidebar and then select toggle enable HDCP to on or off and then check if you can play the game. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that select Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus 2, then click on restore, finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts, next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next solution is to change DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup internet connection. Here select your network and press the options button. Then select advanced settings and then change DNS settings to manual. After that, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to network, click on connection status, test internet connection to ensure if it is working properly. Next method is to check for game updates. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Then select Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus 2 game and then check if the issue is fixed. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, select system software update and settings. Next choose update system software if any update is available. Finally choose update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last choose restore option. Next is to reinstall Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus 2. For that, first highlight Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus 2 on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus 2 again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain the issue you are coming across while playing the game and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.